Hello guys! B33 RPK dust cover review. Characteristics, what is in the kit, how to install on rifle on an example of Saiga 308 and how to reassemble the recoil mechanism. My name is Anastasia. B33 RPK rail forms a Picatinny rail above the receiver of RPK and rifles based on RPK. It allows installation of various sighting devices, and the important thing is that it holds zero after numerous closing and opening of the dust cover. It is designed for RPK and rifles based on it. On RPK it looks like this. Here's my RPK on one side. On the other side it is also compatible with different models of Viapar. Important thing is that it is compatible with only those models of Viapar that have the regular dust cover that can be taken off. So if it is rotary with a hinge in this place, then B33 RPK dust cover is not compatible. It is also compatible with Saiga 308 because it has an RPK-based receiver, and the important thing is that it can be installed only together with a handguard because it mounts on our handguards, Zenitco handguards. If we speak about Saiga 308, that is B33L handguard, either separately or as a part of Sport 8 and Sport 8U kits. For example, on this Saiga 308 I have Sport 8 kit and I had video about that. I will leave a link under the video. And if we speak about RPK and Viapar, that are B20L and B20U handguards, also separately or as a part of Sport 5 and Sport 5U kits. For example, on this RPK I have Sport 5 kit installed. B33 RPK dust cover is made in two modifications depending on color, either black or desert. Let's weight the rail. The weight of B33 RPK is 203 grams. It is made of aluminum D16T. It is a milled product. Also, it has a steel part right here. The kit also includes rear and front recoil spring guides, so you take the regular spring but replace the regular guides to our guides. Also screws M5 to 7 to install B33 RPK on handguard, and finally recoil buffer. Recoil buffer reduces recoil and it is mandatory when you use it on Saiga 308, and it is optional on other rifles. Now I will install B33 RPK. First thing to do is to prepare the rifle. So I open the regular dust cover, take off the recoil spring, take off the bolt carrier, put up the sight, put up the lever that is blocking the gas tube because it will interfere. Now I put B33 RPK on the handguard and screw in 4 screws. Pay attention, the steel part should go inside in this place. Now you can screw in the screws. B33 RPK dust cover is installed. If you have experience with working with our products, for example, if you installed B33 for AKs earlier, you may have noticed that I did not screw out the steel part during installation. B33 RPK does not require that. The next step is to reassemble the recoil mechanism. You take the regular one, you take the elements from the kit of B33 RPK and you place the spring on these elements. You may do it with your hands, but it will be more comfortable for me to use vise. So let's go to the vise. Fix the regular mechanism in the vise. Fix this part, which is closer to the spring, so you do not ruin it. Next, take some sort of rag in order not to get dirty and pull the spring down. Move the front guide so it forms the T shape. Remove the retainer. Keep holding the spring so it does not jump in unexpected directions and take off the front guide. Next, slowly release the spring. Done. Now I need to install this spring on the guides from the kit of B33 RPK. I fix the rear guide in the vise. I put the spring on it. Now the most difficult part, you pull the spring down. Do it very, very carefully. Form the T shape. Now put the retainer. Keep holding the spring. Done. Now I can assemble the rifle. I reassembled the recoil mechanism. I mentioned earlier that the kit includes recoil buffer DO1 and it is designed to reduce recoil, and it is mandatory to install it when you install B33 RPK on Saiga 308. Why? Because the regular recoil spring guide of it has this unusual shape. That's why we need to install this part on Saiga 308. On other rifles it is optional. So as far as I'm installing this on Saiga 308, I put it on a spring. Now I assemble the rifle. I put down the sight. I close the lever that blocks the gas tube. Done. Now, bolt carrier, spring, and I close the dust cover. B33 RPK is installed on Saiga 308, and you can order B33 RPK on our website en.zenitco.ru or in partner stores. The list of official partners is stated on en.zenitco.ru in partner section. And I think that this Saiga 308 needs more things to install, and I will make more videos about that. I will make a video where I will install the stock, the grip, and maybe the charging handle. So see you in next videos, and goodbye.